Hello guys, welcome back in this tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you another website that you can claim your cryptocurrency from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. Okay, this is the website. This website name in link in description. This website pay you all cryptocurrency you earn from here into Bitcoin, Faucet Pay, or Express Crypto Faucet Pay. Any wallet you want, you can earn your free cryptocurrency. Okay, the first way to earn in here is manual faucet. The manual faucet pay you every 5 minutes this much satoshi, and you earn 6 satoshi every day claiming. Okay, just the first one is a 8, 1 and 5. Okay, just choose your capture and capture you want. Okay, just reloaded the page. Sorry about that, that's not my fault. The website will be sometimes reloading the page. And the type the capture times square. Okay, and just come down and just collect your reward. Okay, and you receive your balance, and you can come back after 5 minutes to claim again. The next one is a short links. You can visit the short links and you can earn 2 satoshi. Okay, and 80 energy. Okay, and you can earn it very easily. Just visit our short links. The next one is PTC Hats. You can watch all your PTC ads. Just click it and watch it. Okay, just I watched the least PTC Hats available in here is at 10 seconds. Just you click this one and wait few seconds, 10 seconds. After 10 seconds this will be show you the capture. Okay, this is the capture. Okay, the capture is World West, and just click verify, and you can see you earn your cryptocurrency. Okay, sorry, your dollar, USD dollar. The next one is a lottery ticket. You can participate in lottery ticket after 6 days, and the lottery ticket will be pay you $1. And this is the last 3 weeks, and 2 days ago this person earned this much USD dollar. Okay, and the next one is achievements. You can earn from achievements. Okay, 25 time claim, faucet claim, pay you this much USD dollar, complete short links. And the next one achievement is buy 10 lottery ticket and 10 PTC ads. Okay, this is a daily achievements you can achieve. The next one is offer wall, but the offer wall is right now is unlocked because you didn't reach level 5. If you reach it, this will be activated. Okay, this is the website. This website pay you instantly in your faucet pay. You can earn much more, and you can easily earn from this website. Okay, thanks for watching guys. After I reaching the minimum amount of the withdrawal, okay, the minimum amount of the withdrawal is 0.305 205. Okay, sorry, 0.01 USD, and you can earn every day 10 satoshi. 10 satoshi, not 10 cent of USD or 50 cent of USD every day working, and easily you can receive your payments. Thanks for watching guys. All my videos is a free way earning websites. Okay, bye bye for now.